Hi, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing video for you and it's a brand new ASOS box. Now ASOS didn't bring out their beauty box last month, but they've come back with a brilliant one in my opinion anyway, and it's a Makeup Revolution box. Ooh. So this packaging is fab. It looks really cool. And that's what it looks like there. So if you're new to ASOS Beauty Box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you want to skip forward to seeing the contents, I will add a timestamp down below. So ASOS started bringing out beauty boxes a good few months ago, maybe over a year ago, I can't remember now. It's not a subscription box, they just release a box onto their website, they show you what you get inside, and if you want it, you buy it, so there's no commitment. But these boxes cost £12 and some of the products that we've received are amazing value. So I've paid £10 to ASOS so that I can have free next day shipping for a year. So I currently ordered this yesterday and it arrived this morning. So if you order regularly from ASOS, or if the ASOS box is something that really takes your fancy, then I definitely recommend looking into paying the £10 and having next day delivery, because yeah, it's just good. It just saves you. I think otherwise it will cost you £3 or £4 for postage. So you're looking at a £15–16 box with a postage on top. But yeah, so this box costs £12. All of the products are Makeup Revolution products. Now we've had Bobbi Brown products before, we've had Clinique products before. Those boxes have been a little bit more pricier at £15 a box, but generally the boxes are £12, and yeah, this is £12. So Makeup Revolution for me is not a wow brand, but it is a good brand. It's a brand that I keep looking at, it's a brand I keep buying products from, but it's not something it's not my favourite brand then. It's very hit and miss. Some items I absolutely love, some items I don't. There's actually one product in here which I absolutely love. Absolutely love, so I'm so chuffed to see that it's in here. I've done a review on it and I'll pop it up on the screen when I show you in a little while, so if you're interested to see what it looks like and how it applies and stuff like that. But yeah, the one thing I would say though, that these boxes sell out super fast, super fast. So sign up online for emails, sign up on Instagram and click notifications. I did have a message which I only saw last night actually, that it was a notification popped up. I had already seen it thanks to one of you telling me about it, so thank you so much. But so I'd already bought it, but I did notice I did have a pop-up in the notifications telling me that this box was, you know, being sold. You're welcome to follow my Facebook page, which is Diary of a 40-something, and as soon as I find out that ASOS have got a box out, because there's no set date, it could be any time, but it's generally around the first week of the month. As soon as I find out that ASOS have released a box, I go straight to my Facebook page and I pop up a link there. And currently, I posted the link up yesterday, currently it's had like over 100 clicks, so there's a lot of you that are interested in getting this box, and I hope that it hasn't sold out super fast like a lot of the other boxes. So let's open it up and see what you get inside. They don't tell you a price or anything, but I have an idea of the cost of the items anyway, because it's some, you know, that I've been looking at, and as I said, I've got one of the items. So inside it's packaged like this, and we get a little card, and it says it's time to glow up proper. When it comes to good highlight, we know it's all about the base, so prep your skin with the EGF Skin Conditioning Serum for ultra hydration and maximum radiance potential. You'll be spoiled for choice with this Ultra 32 eyeshadow palette and Ultra Pro Glow highlighter palette. A different look for every day. And it says, want to dial up the sparkle even further? Try using a liquid highlighter Luminous Gold on bare skin to accentuate the high points of your face, or mix it into a foundation or body cream for an all-over glimmer. All you need to complete the look is the Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kit, leaving you with a velvety pout that doesn't overshadow your highlight. Start the new year as you mean to go on a glam squad. So I did a January sales haul, a Makeup Revolution January sales haul, and yeah, so I want to do a video of a full look, full face Makeup Revolution. So when this came up yesterday, I was thinking, yes, there's a few items I could use. So I'm well chuffed, I'm well chuffed. So that's what the box looks like. So I've just put this down to the side of me, grab an item and show you. So the first item I'm really excited about, and it's their new skincare range. And I'm not sure when this came out, but I know it's pretty new. And this is about £10, I believe. I will find out and I'll pop it on the screen. But it says it's a skin conditioning serum, vegan, cruelty-free, as all Makeup Revolution is. And this is a 30ml. So that's the outer packaging there. Ooh. it's reflecting off the light. It reminds me very much of The Ordinary, and I'll show you in a minute what I mean. So that's the serum there. Very, very nice. This is The Ordinary. So, they are different, obviously they're different, but similar sort of feel going on there. So I'm not sure what it will feel like on my skin, but let's have a go. A little goes a long way. It's all over my hand now, but yeah, no smell. It feels quite nice, it feels nice. But yeah, it just says apply to face morning and night for best results, and that's all it says on there. So that's our first item. So it's the face serum. If any of you have tried the new Revolution skincare products, please let me know down below. I would love to know what they are like and how they compare to other products as well. But yeah, so that's a EGF. I don't know what EGF stands for, but it's a serum. So that's that. Next, we've got a liquid highlighter. And let me take the wrapper off. And I believe these are about £6 to £8. Don't know why I'm saying that, because I'm going to put the price up on the screen anyway. Ooh, I don't own one of these. I'm not sure if you'd be able to see there because the ring light is reflecting it off, because it's all like metallic-y, because it's all shiny packaging. But yeah, whoa. Let's try it. I'll try it on top of the serum. Oh, whoa, look at that. Woohoo! My gosh. Look at it. I'm just spreading it all over my hand there. What a beautiful hand. My gosh. Okay, I'm trying to blend it all in, but look. It's giving me a nice bronze glow as well. So I'm really excited to see what that is like. It will be featured in my video. Next, we've got a Retro Luxe Matte Lip Kit, and it's a lip contour kit and in shade Rain. So that's what it looks like there. So this is a lipstick and a lip liner in one. Oh, that is a pretty colour, really pretty colour. So there we go. I'm gonna lipstick. Let's try on the other hand. Nice, gorgeous pinky colour. Lip liner and do that, and then I'll show you them what they both look like together. But you can see there, but no, they complement each other. I love that lipstick. That is so nice, so nice. So we've got that. We've got a Ultra Pro Glow palette. Look at that, that is so pretty. So we've got in here, it's just as a highlighting palette. No extra information on it. No information on it whatsoever. But we've got a mix. We've got a mix of, and they're all shimmery. They are all shimmery, but we've got a mix of tones there. Really, really nice actually. Really nice. Can you see? So we've got different shades there to play around with. But let's try a few. I don't know why I've done it in my inner arm. Oh, I'm not used to doing this. There you go. It's pretty. It is really pretty. Really, really pretty. So we got that. And then the last item is one of my favourite palettes ever, and it's the one I did a video on, which if you're interested to view, I'll pop it up on a card. But this is the Flawless 4 palette. This is amazing. I absolutely love this palette, and I can't open it. I got the Soph palette, the Extra Spice one I think it is, and it's alright. It's an alright palette, but I wouldn't say it's an amazing palette. But this, I would say it's an amazing palette. And it's not many eyeshadow palettes from Makeup Revolution that I actually like, in all honesty, from what I've tried anyway, which is not a lot, but out of the ones I have tried, yeah, this one wins hands down. Let's open it all up. Gorgeous packaging. So it looks like there. Woo, you can see the ring light going on there. So a really, really amazing mix of colours. As you can see, you've got the pinks, you've got the browns, you've got the neutrals. There's a great mix of mattes and shimmers. I just think it's an amazing palette. Really, really lovely. In the video, I use a lot of these pinks. So I create like a very pinky looking eye. So no, I'm really chuffed to have it. But because I got the other one, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. So let's get all the items out all together and show you. So this is the product. So we've got a liquid highlighter here. We've got a Flawless 4 eyeshadow palette. We've got a serum. We've got a lip kit. And we've got a highlighting palette there as well. So a really, really lovely mix. Definitely worth £12. Definitely. Or even if you pay for the postage, if you haven't got like the £10 free shipping for a year thingy, I think it's definitely worth it, because this palette is £10 and I know that you will like it. Well, I can't guarantee obviously because we're all different, but I think it's good. I think it's good. Let's just hope they haven't changed the formula or else you'd be like, Claire, you're talking a load of rubbish. What you on about? But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. I'd love to know your thoughts about this box. Do you think it's really good? Have you bought it for yourself? And yeah, I'd love to know. So thanks for watching and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.